To replace an 8800 VS series window, ensure a second person securely holds the window in position throughout the process to prevent it from falling or shifting unexpectedly. Begin inside the RV by removing any valances or window covering. Unscrew and detach the interior clamp rails. The interior clamp rails may have many screws that need to be removed. When the screws have been removed, remove the clamp rails and set them aside. Move to the exterior, and if needed, use a thin plastic putty knife to carefully cut through the old sealant bead beneath the exterior flange. Once the sealant is fully released, the window assembly can be removed from the wall. It is strongly recommended to use glass-specific suction cups to handle the window and enlist the assistance of a second person. Thoroughly clean the rough opening by removing all residual sealant, tape, and debris from the wall surfaces. Eliminate any remaining adhesive residue using an appropriate adhesive remover. Inspect the rough opening dimensions to confirm they are square, level, and plumb within the tolerance of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. The opening must be free of protrusions, uneven surfaces, jagged edges, raised ribs, or splice joints in the siding. Smooth out any irregularities, as these can prevent proper flange seating and result in leaks. It is important to note that these windows are designed exclusively to be used on vertical walls. Installation on sloped surfaces will allow water penetration into the RV. Perform a dry test fit before adding any adhesive by inserting the new window from the exterior and verify uniform flange overlap around the entire perimeter, with a minimum recommended overlap of 3/8 of an inch. Confirm that the window is centered, level, and seats flat against the wall without gaps or forced alignment. Use shims at the bottom if necessary to achieve equal flange overlap. It is important to note that the sliding half of the window always need to be positioned towards the bottom to prevent water intrusion. Once a proper fit is verified, remove the window. Thoroughly clean the window flange to remove all debris, oil, and contaminants. Apply high-quality installation tape along the outer edge of the flange to maximize contact with the wall surface. Apply the sealant tape in the pattern shown to provide the best protection for water intrusion. Before installing the window, remove the backing from the installation tape, taking extra care to prevent any dirt or debris from touching and getting stuck in the tape. Insert the window from the exterior and have a helper hold it securely in position. Confirm that the window is centered, level, and seats flat against the wall. Then press the window edges inward to ensure that the installation tape has contacted the wall surface. From the interior, align the clamp rails and install the screws. Tighten the screws in the proper sequence so that the clamp rails seat correctly, providing even tension and preventing damage. Before final tightening, verify full flange contact and uniform tape compression around the entire perimeter. Avoid over-tightening, which can distort the frame. Finally, verify smooth window operation by checking for easy opening, closing, and latching. Installation is now complete. Inspect for any visible gaps and test for leaks after the unit's first exposure to rain. Be sure that the weep holes are located at the bottom and that the plugs have been removed to allow any water to drain.